face the music and dance. So while there's moonlight and music and love and romance, let's face the music.
The all-new Toyota Hilux. Just because you can, doesn't mean you should.
Let's face the music and dance.
Please, Hilux responsibly.